Emptying your pipeline to keep it flowing might seem counterintuitive. After all, if your goal is to have 20 deals in your pipeline at any given time, and it turns out you've got 50, it might seem like a good thing. The reality is that too many deals spread your resources thin and clog your pipeline. You're not giving the proper attention to all the deals in the pipeline, causing leads to grow cold and stale. Empty the pipeline to keep it flowing. Ask yourself, would a customer laugh at the idea of being in your pipeline? If they don't take you seriously, you should not take them seriously. Ask your prospects if it's possible they will actually make a decision this month. If the answer is no, it's time to move on. When someone says that they would like your product or service, but not this month or quarter, this might not seem like a lost cause, when in reality it is. You must consider them for flushing because there's nothing you can do to close them within the constraints of your sales cycle or even the near future. How to keep your pipeline clean? Go through your pipeline once or twice a week. If you find a prospect that's been sitting there longer than your typical sales cycle and doesn't show any signs of moving, check in with them and, if appropriate, flush them. Most importantly, don't get rid of them. Instead, put them into a future callback list and run your recurring schedule with them. It's hard to put aside a potential customer, but the whole thrust of this course is to keep your focus on strong candidates and to keep them moving along your pipeline. Stay focused on deals that have a strong chance of closing during your established sales cycle, and your continuous effort will create a steady flow of revenue.